off, I'm taking this white eyeshadow. It's just a single eyeshadow, and I think it's for Maybelline. And I'm gonna pop this right in the inner corners of the eyes. If you guys are curious on these contact lenses, I think they're the Vasen pink cloud lenses from Pinky Paradise. If I can't remember the name, I'll link it down below. But anyways, I'm using this Anastasia palette, and of course I'm taking a burgundy shade. I'm only saying of course because you saw the intro. And it goes with the contact lenses. I wanted to do something different. My go-to cosplay makeup look is on my channel. I did it for Kagome. And it's just a winged eyeliner with some spiky lashes that I always go for and wear, but I need to change it up, and obviously I can't film that look for every cosplay that I do. So I changed it up, and I'm so happy. I said so like a million times, and I just said it again. But I just changed it up because I need to, and it helps me get better. Anyways, I am lining my waterline with white eyeliner. That was a tongue twister. But yes, I always do this for cosplay looks unless they have tight lined eyeliner. Anyways, I am taking this black eyeliner. I've been saying the same thing over again. I'm out of it today, you guys. And I'm extending the inner corner as well, and this is just going to do something different. I also don't really do this with cosplay that much, and I loved the way that it turned out in the end. Then I'm taking the warm taupe color, and this I got a little bit off frame in these parts, guys. I'm so sorry, I wasn't paying attention. But I am mixing the taupe and red color, and I'm just running it underneath. So it's not, doesn't take much explanation. And right here, I am just putting a triangle right underneath the waterline. And I also am going to put a black circle in the corner of my eye. Somehow, I don't know what happened to that footage. I think my computer erased it, but it's literally just a black circle on my left eye, like right there. You just put a little blob. So now I am just coating my lashes and prepping them for falsies. And I have these falsies that I get from Yes Style, and they're just perfect falsies for cosplay because they have the spiky lash. And they're like dolly type of lashes, but I use them for cosplay, and I know a lot of cosplayers love these lashes, and they just look great with circle lenses. So that's a good tip if you guys are wondering. So yeah, I'll leave the style listed in the description because I didn't get a clip of me showing it. I had one, but I guess my computer erased the file as well. So yeah, these lashes look really good with circle lenses. Also for the lips, I am lining my lips with Half Red by MAC. I wanted to do a plum lip color. And then I'm taking Plum Pop by Clinique. And it's just like a natural plummy lippy, and I love it. And then we're just gonna top it off with blush, you guys. I always take a pink blush, this is Tea Rose by Milani, and place it all over my cheeks and on my nose. And I always do that with cosplay. Well, I do that in my regular life too. I like blush on the nose, I don't know why. But I'm about to put the wig on. I'm not going to have black eyebrows with this hair, but I would actually wear this makeup on any other day. Besides the little black dot under my eye, I want to wear this makeup out. But here is the cosplay, you guys. I hope that you enjoyed this look. I don't know how known of a character she is, but I like it, and she's very cute. Anyways, guys, we're so close to 10,000 subscribers on HER. If you guys don't mind, help us. It has a bunch of amazing things. I'm part of this group called the Puri Puri Squad, and this magazine will have a bunch of new features from us, 75 photos from all the girls mixed together. And yeah, so guys, make sure to check that out and subscribe and support us. But anyways, I'll see you in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.